The hardest part of going solar is knowing where to start. Our team of solar experts have made it easier than ever. First, we gather relevant information from you and offer a personalized proposal. This gives you the perfect size system and outlines your incredible savings. You then learn about current tax incentives and financing options. Many include zero or little money down. Once you approve, we get right to work. Next, we handle all city approvals and permits. With permits in hand, we send our experts out to install your system. You now have brand new money-saving solar panels on your roof in the best way possible. Start saving thousands instantly. Your future electricity cost will never change, with an independent and truly renewable energy source. You've even increased the value of your home. All this, and you are now the envy of your neighborhood. Get a free home evaluation and solar estimate today.